Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to completely transform the look of your Google account by changing its color theme. It's quick, easy, and in just a few minutes, your Google experience will feel fresh and personalized. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're using the Chrome browser. While some customizations are possible elsewhere, Chrome integrates best with Google services, making this process seamless. Once Chrome is open, look up at the top right corner and click on the three vertical dots. This is your More menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will open the main settings page where all Chrome customization options live. Next, scroll down or look on the left-hand menu for Appearance. Click on it, and here you'll see the Themes option. Clicking this will redirect you straight to the Chrome Web Store, where Google offers a huge variety of ready-made themes. Now comes the fun part, browsing. Hover over any theme to preview it instantly on your browser. Once you find one you love, simply click Add to Chrome, and your new color scheme will be applied immediately across your browser and all linked Google services. It's that simple, but what if you want something even more personal? Don't worry, you can upload your own custom theme or image. Just follow the instructions in the Chrome Web Store to add your custom design, and your Google account will reflect your unique style. And the best part, you can switch themes anytime, so experimenting with different colors and designs is completely risk-free. And that's it. Changing the color theme on your Google account is quick, fun, and gives your workspace a fresh, personalized look. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Google tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.